I wish that more people realized that if they had an app idea, that they could go and actually build it themselves. That's why we created the Android Basics Nanodegree. It's a learning path to take someone from no coding experience to building a whole portfolio of basic Android apps.
I'm fairly certain that anyone can learn to program for Android. I think everyone comes across that moment when they're fiddling around with an app and they're like, oh man, I wish it did this. The difference is kind of acting on it. It was my opportunity to no longer have to wish an app existed. I can just make it myself. The biggest reason why I hadn't done it before was it seemed like such a daunting task to code. I would say I wish about maybe 14 years ago someone would have told me that it's something that anyone can actually learn.
Begin your journey today by taking the first step to becoming an Android developer.